You a little scared there, bud? You can't even see him, bro.
Almost went to jail.
Dude, this guy, bro, every time he sees a cop, bro,
Almost fucking
he
jail.
almost jumped out of his seat when he saw that cop. Boys, we are headed, we got some scooters back here on this last minute, very last minute trip to San Diego. We're going to RiderzBlok.
Yeah. RiderzBlok.
Bro, what are you talking about right now? All right, boys, we have made it to Huntington Beach, California. We're about to pull the scooters out and probably go cruise to the beach, probably hit some wheelies. And tomorrow is RiderzBlok in San Diego, so it's like an hour from here. Head out in the morning, meet up with everyone in this big ride in California. Like I said, this is like super last minute. We decided literally like yesterday they were coming here, so kind of came unprepared, but we got the scooters, we got some oil for them. That's all that matters. Now it's time to hit some wheelies, boys. Josie got some new plastics on his from last time when we were in Oregon. Going with the red one today. Oh my god, it's smoking more out of here than there. Oh my god, it's completely loose. Look at that. Look at that. Never, Mr. Never works on his bike. That's him. Still the broken kickstart from the side of the road. His silencer. Oh my god. It sounded like his choke's on. It sounded like your choke was on.
Oh, it is.
Choke was on. See. Also, by tomorrow, your silencer's gonna fall off.
Probably. Yeah, I'm doing that so it sounds better. Better for a minute.
Cali, boys. Not gonna lie, I'm flaming Joe's over here, but I definitely did not even touch this scooter since we went to ferry to ferry. So I literally was just pulled this thing out this morning and hoped for the best.
Now let's go squeeze it. Pump it up again.
We got you. We got you, man. Oh, got the beach right there, boys. Look at that. Good old California. Weather is insane perfect right now. Right at the beach, boys. We had to get some quick pictures. Quick pictures of the bikes in the sand, dude. You got to while you're here, you know? Alright, early morning mission right now. We just drove from Huntington. We're in San Diego, right, but we just ran into the group of some people right here. And it looks like we're rolling up on the rest. Actually, there's a decent amount of people. Hey, look who's finally on the pre-bug, boy.
I know.
Look at this dude, bro. This thing's all shined up.
He's in
Ready to go.
That's not making it.
Yeah, that thing's getting fucking scraped off.
Omaha, baby, it's official.
That is pretty
Hey, are
dope.
you jealous? I would be.
I would
be.
Hopefully it doesn't fall off.
We just got word. Okay, we got Josie over here throwing up. We just got word that this ride is 110 miles. Honestly, I have no clue, but
I'm gonna puke in my helmet.
you're gonna puke?
Yeah.
A couple too many beers last night?
Just fucking tad.
Yeah. What's up, man? How you doing, bro? Good to see you, my man. What you riding today?
My Met Rep.
Woo! Let's do it! Hell yeah, on the zip, boy! You got the zip! I want that thing. Oh! Smoking them! Mr. Rolling Wrench himself right here, bro. This is the OG, man. This is who I used to watch when I first ever did a 150 swap on a scooter. It's so sick. Is this thing electric? Bro, is that like a Razor bike? What is that? Is that a Razor bike? Did you battery swap it or no? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, hell yeah. Big, but that's sick.
Hopefully enough for today.
Yeah. Brah, brah, brah. Oh, yep. Dude, the frame on that thing is crazy. He's chopping it, chopping it. Pop it up! I like that, I like the hair. Oh, he's chopping it. Woo! Nasty! Hell yeah. No way, bro. Oh, what? Dude, what is that thing, bro? What? Fuck. That sucks. He got the one person that pulled over, bro. Look at the view, boys. Damn. I feel like we're lost a lot of people right now after that whole little cop thing. Right before the cop, there was a pretty gnarly crash too, so hopefully bro's is all right. I saw one of the dudes just laid out, man. Oh man, we had a little crash go down. Oh, that sucks. That thing looked, that little monkey bike looked fucked up. What? Really? You got tools? You got tools? We finally got some food in our bellies. We're at like a halfway point, I think, right now. I don't know where we are though. Another city. I think we're in Escondido or something like that, but I think we're about 45 minutes from where we started. The jet ski out here, brother. Bro, the ocean is that way, brother. Uh-oh. We got another one down, boys. Luckily, it looked like that one's a slow one, though. Deep into this ride, like hours deep, bro. I think we're literally riding more miles on this ride than we did on the ferry to ferry across that whole island. So this one's pretty big ride actually. I was pretty surprised. Sick. Oh yeah. This is sick, dude. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. they finally learned how to wheelie, I think, this trip. You good? Good? Sorry about that. We have a Piaggio Zip in America, boys. There you are. All the people who comment on the channel every video. Be happy right now. I better see a smile on everyone's face, bro. There you go, man. And that's one of like the 2 in the whole entire country. That used to be actually from Scooter Swap Shop, and homie snagged it before I could even, man. I should have bought that thing. I wish the GoPro could see better when I'm doing the knee knocker. We need to figure out a way to have like an AI GoPro that like adjusts, maybe like a 360 cam there or something, you know what I mean? Can't even see when I'm putting the work in on the seat, man. You just see that the front end's in the air and I possibly might be on the seat. Don't worry, boys, we're on the knees, we're dragging feet on the ground, we're standing up on the seat, we're riding wheelies with the boys, we're throwing hands in the air, we're pumping fit, we're flexing. Yeah. Alright, boys, and just like that, we are back in the MOPBOYZ garage. We are back home from that short trip to San Diego for the ride out. So we had a super fun time out there. Shout out RiderzBlok for hosting that ride. And I'm stoked we got to hit that. And then we got another ride out here in Vegas coming in 2 weeks for the Goonies ride. So I hope you guys enjoy the riding videos, but it's time to get back to work. You know we have a bunch of projects going on right now, so we got to get back to work on that. And I'm going to get straight to wrenching right now and working on the next video. I will see you guys in the next one.